This is the iPhone 14 Plus, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the network. Then simply launch the App Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on the download or get button if you haven't downloaded Opera previously. Then, once the app gets downloaded and installed, you simply launch it. And here we gotta undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap on the blue continue button, then next, then choose the preferences that you would like to use, whether you would like for the ad blocker to be on or off, the cryptocurrency mining protection, I'll leave it to be active, as well as switch on the ad blocking feature. Then choose whether you would like for the Opera to follow your system appearance or not. Then choose the navigation type. And after that, just tap on the blue Start Browsing button. And after that, you'll be able to, use the Opera. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.